Hello friends, welcome to you in a 5-minute solution. Hope so you are good. Friends, today I'll show you 5 exclusive tricks and tips of WhatsApp that will blow you, my friends. Friends, if you are using WhatsApp, so you should know these tips and tricks to become smart. So friends, to know these settings, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel 5-minute solution yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next notification about more videos on WhatsApp. Friends, for this you have to open WhatsApp. Friends, number 1, language change. For this you have to go on triple dot at the top right corner. Then you have to click on settings. Then you have to click on chats. After that you have to click on app language, my friend, here. Then you have to select the language, my friends, from here. So friends, go back. So friends, number 2 is font change. So go on WhatsApp. Then open any contact, my friend. Then you have to type here which one you want to type. Friends, if you want to write bold, you have to write first star. Then you have to write whatever you want to write, my friend. Like I want to write hello. After that I have to press star, my friend, again. And see, my friends, it has become bold, right? See, my friends, like this. And for italic, you have to press first underscore, my friend. Then you have to write whatever you want to write. Then again underscore, my friend, and see, my friends, it has become italic, right? And for strike through, you have to press first continuous sign. Then you have to write something, my friend. After that you have to type again continuous sign, my friend. And see, my friends, it has become strike through, right? So friends, like this you can change the font, my friend. Then go back, my friends. Number 3 is bookmark, my friend. So go on WhatsApp, open a contact, my friend. Then choose, my friend, which one you want to bookmark. Then press it and hold it, my friend. And at the top you will see on star sign, my friend. You have to press on it, my friend. And it has become bookmark, my friend. So go back. Number 4, save internet, my friends. For this you have to open WhatsApp, my friends. Then you have to click triple dot at the top right corner. Then you have to click on settings. After that you have to click on data and storage uses. And my friends, at the end, see low data uses, right? So you have to enable this one, my friend. So click on here. Done, my friends. Then go back, my friends. Number 5, clear storage, my friends. Friends, sometimes our mobile memory card or external memory card, it has become full, my friends. So friends, to make available space on your memory card, you have to delete some files, my friends. It could be from WhatsApp or any other apps. So now I'll show you how to clear storage of WhatsApp, my friends. Friends, for this you have to open WhatsApp. Then you have to click triple dot at the top right corner. Then you have to click on settings. After that you have to click on data and storage uses. Then you have to click on storage uses, my friend, the second one. And see, my friends, from here you have to delete the files. After that you will get free space of your memory card, my friends. And see, my friends, I want to delete the files from second one. So I have to click on it, my friend. After that you have to click on free space. Then you have to click on delete items, my friend. Then you have to click on clear messages, my friend. So friends, like this you can delete the files and you can make free space for your memory card, my friends. So friends, like this you can use 5 exclusive tips and tricks for your WhatsApp, my friends. Friends, still if you have any confusion about 5 tips and tricks, you can ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible, my friends. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel 5-minute solution. And thank you for watching this video, my friend. Take care.